Are you ready to join the world of Instagram and connect with people around the globe? It's time to walk you through setting up your Instagram account, from choosing the perfect username to powerful features for growth. Let's dive in and start your Instagram journey. To create an Instagram account, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and signing up with an email address. As you begin to create your account, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your full name and email address. Tip 1. To select the perfect username, keep it memorable, accurately reflecting your brand or personal identity. Next, you need to choose from the 3 profile types to cater your needs: personal, creator, and business. Tip 2. To choose the right profile type, consider your primary purpose for using Instagram and the features you need. If you're an influencer, artist, or public figure seeking advanced features and analytics, a creator account could be the perfect fit. For companies and organizations looking to promote their products and services, a business account is an excellent choice. Next, add an engaging and informative bio in order to capture the essence of your brand or personal identity. Use high-quality visuals to create an appealing aesthetic. Take a look at other images for inspiration in the Explore section. Tip 3. By consistently producing high-value content and engaging with your followers, you'll establish a loyal and engaged audience. Instagram Reels provide an opportunity to create short, engaging video content that showcases your brand or talents. Tip 4. To make the most of Reels, use high-quality visuals and audio, and include relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Instagram Shopping is a powerful feature that enables businesses to sell products directly from their feed and stories. Tip 5. To make the most of Instagram Shopping, ensure your product images are high quality and visually appealing. To safeguard your account, enable 2-factor authentication, use a strong password, and maintain the security of your account. Now it's time to embark on your Instagram journey and start connecting with the world.